How to delete Instagram posts all at once. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, let's navigate to our profile page. From there, click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on your activity. And here scroll down till you find the section that says content you shared. And from there, choose what kind of post you want to bulk or mass delete. Say for example, you want to delete reels all at once. Click on it. And the process is the same for posts and highlights, etc. So once you are here, you will find all of the reels or posts that you have posted. So go ahead and click and hold on any one of them till you select it. And here what you need to do is you need to select all of the reels that you want to delete, and then you can select all of them if you want, and click on delete at the bottom, and then click on delete to confirm. And once you do that, your selected reels or posts will be deleted, and you can do with, as I said, for all the um accounts. So again, just click and hold on any one of them, or you can click on select at the top right corner and select all of them and do the same process again, and they should be deleted. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete Instagram posts all at once. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.